Hello, darling. Come, join me for a quiet moment of beauty, style, and relaxation. My name is Marilyn. Let's begin with something soothing. I've just slipped into this delicate sheer bodysuit. Its fabric, light and soft, feels so luxurious against the skin. The intricate patterns of mesh tights, they move gently with each step, hugging the curve of my leg. I am wearing this shiny PVC latex skirt. It gleams softly under the light, catching every flicker of reflection. It feels sleek, powerful, yet elegant, so comfortable and so perfectly me. But now it's time to take care of the kitchen. As I move toward to the dishwasher, I gently lift the Denby pottery plate. Their weight so satisfying in my hands. I love the sound they make as they come out. Soft, yet solid. You can almost feel the warmth lingering from gentle cycle. I move slowly, methodically, placing each plate carefully. It's like a little dance, isn't it? The simple act of tidying up so soothing as I set them aside. The pottery seems to shimmer with quiet elegance. With each plate I take out and each piece of cutlery I organize, the kitchen feels more peaceful. It's as if I am creating order, not just the space, but in the mind. The hum of the dishwasher, the click of the plate, the slight creak of the cabinet door as I open and close them. It's all so quiet, so calm. kitchen is serene and the coffee is the perfect. I hope you're feeling calm, relaxed, ready to enjoy this moment with me. And now, the coffee, the rich velvety scents filling the air as I pour it into my favorite cup. The steam rises, warm and inviting. I take a slow, thoughtful sip, the warmth of the coffee mingling with the warmth of the kitchen. Everything feels balanced in its perfect place.